The GS3 series machine tools of Servo motor medium speed wire EDM and the XY axis is directly controlled by Panasonic AC servo motors. The bed and control cabinet adopt an integrated structural design. The structure of compact, small footprint. The discharge system and NC software are independently developed, supporting G-code programming. Molybdenum wire loss is extremely low, and it has a factory expert database, making it easy for users to access processing parameters. It can easily achieve micron-level machining accuracy with a maximum machining efficiency of 300 square millimeters per minute.